Alright, we've got 3 word problems here to look at. This one's we're talking about shirts. We have a startup fee of $43 and then $9.65 per shirt. And we want to find out when the actual cost is the same. So what we want to do is set these two guys equal to each other. And we have again $858 and $8.40 per shirt. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract. I'll get 15 on this side when I subtract my 43. And I'll get $1.25 on this side when I subtract my $8.40. And then I divide by 125. Should be a negative, I don't know why I have a negative there. Then divide by 125, I get an answer of 12 shirts of when they're the same. Let's go ahead and look at this one here. I have 3 red and 4 white for $11. And I have 3 white and 10 blue for $36, and I have 1 red and 2 white and 4 blue for $17. Oh look, there's our Alright, so what we need to do, this looks a little different. We do have 3 variables. We have 2 guys that are already in 2 variables, so I have to choose, do I want to use this one here, or do I want to use this one here? So we'll go ahead and use this one here, and I'm going to go ahead and try to eliminate my blue one here. So in order to do that, I'm going to need to multiply this by a -4. Nope, we don't need to do all the way to 40, do we? We can do 20, so I'm going to multiply this by a -2, and multiply this by a 5. So we'll do that here. Oops, minus, double check. I'm double checking as I go, so normally I can find my mistakes as I go. And this is what, -72. And then I have 5r plus 10w plus 20b is equal to 85. So when I subtract these two, I get 5r plus 4w is equal to 13. So I'm going to put these guys here together nicely. It ends up being that I have my w's that are already opposites of each other. So we just need to subtract, and subtract. You end up getting -r is equal to -2. So r is equal to, no, -2r. 3 minus 5 is -2r is equal to -2, and so r is equal to 1. I do need to find out what the blue is, so I'm going to go ahead and plug 1 back into here. So I get 3 times 1 plus 4w is equal to 11, and that means that 4w is equal to, what, 8, and w is equal to 2. So now I'll go ahead and plug it back in. I am finding my blue, so I'm going to just plug it into this one here. So here, I'll go ahead and plug in 3 of my...
Attention on campus, there's a black Jeep parked on the street by the student parking lot with your lights on. Black Jeep on the street, lights on.
Isn't that fun? We just get extra little bonuses here. So here, I'm plugging in my, my 1. Ooh. We're plugging in white. Yeah, so my 2 for my white. Blue is what I'm looking for, so 10 blue is equal to 30, and 10 is equal to, or blue is equal to 3. So I do have $3 per, and I want it times 3. So we have a $9 that we're looking for. Hi, Megan. All right, we have one last one to go. We've got our pizza. So we have a $6.80 cost plus 90 cents per topping. And we want it equal to, find out when it's equal to $7.30 for the pizza plus 65 cents per topping. So I'm just going to set these two equal to each other. And when I subtract over here, I get 0.5. And when I subtract over here, I get 0.25. And when I do my little division, I get 2 toppings. So I would need to add 2 toppings to the cheese pizza in order for them to pass the sale.